Jinan Quick Full-Tech CNC Machinery Company Limited locates in Jinan, Shandong Province, China. The factory floor space is about 20,000 square meters. We have over 200 workers, including 25 professional designers, 12 experienced after-sales service engineers, and 35 salespersons. We specialize in CNC router, CNC machining center, woodworking CNC machine, and other CNC technology products. We had obtained CE certification and 21 national invention patents and utility model patents. Cooperated with Shandong Provincial CNC Research Institute. Our company is devoted to the advanced and high-end mechanical automation development. Quick brand has been well known in both domestic and foreign market. Our products have been sold to more than 80 countries. We have distributors in all the main economy entity, spreads from the Eastern Hemisphere to the West, North to the South. Our product quality are well approved by customers who cooperated with our company. After a decade of rapid development, our routers have always covered advertisement decoration, label industry, woodworking and furniture industry, mold manufacturing, crafts, and most of the related industries. We are still trying our best to produce innovative products to help customers lower their costs and increase their returns. The future science and technology now is in front of you. Decrease the cost, accelerate efficiency, liberates your hands. Survived from today's rat race. All start from cooperated with us.